Connectors. 2 RCA male to 2 RCA male, left-right. 24K gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and reduce tarnish. Copper braided and aluminum foil shielding provide cable flexibility and greatly reduce undesired ME, RFI interference. Polyethylene foam, PF. Dielectric insulator greatly minimizes signal loss. Tin platted copper core reduces oxidation and increases wire life. Top reviews from the United States. Good, fully shielded RCA cable. Solid quality. These are great, fully shielded, foil shield with outer copper braid, coaxial RCA cables. I just used them to replace the output cables on a couple Technics 1200 turntables. These are a little thicker than the original cables, so I had to modify the original cord restraint a little. But so far they're perfectly quiet even with some significant EMF placed right next to the cable, and the audio quality appears to be very good. Center conductor is stranded copper, but easy enough to work with if you're going to be cutting into these. The insulator is thick, but pretty flexible. They seem to be pretty sturdy and they look sleek.